Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Luxury for Less with me, Avanita. Guys, do you want to see how I updo some glitter pumpkins into some beautiful autumn pumpkin? Not the orange pumpkin, but the pink, the blue and the green. Guys, stick with me till the end. So these are the things you will need. You will need some pumpkins to start with, some bamboo skewers, paintbrush, and also you will need some satin paint, which is the clear one. And yeah, I'm gonna glam it up. So these pots of paint, I got them from Wilko. They are sample paints, so they are 125, and I got 3. As you can see, I've started using it before. And then these this white and the green one I also got from BARGIN, but I didn't use the green one that much, and I didn't use the orange one because I didn't want to use the orange one to kind of change the color that I was going for. I was going for something a little bit more softer. So the first thing you'll need to do is just to get rid of the glitter. So I just use my brush and just brush off the glitter, and then I just remove the pumpkin stem and just continue to brush it off. So from there, I put one of the bamboo stick in, pour some paint in my holder, and then I just start using my paintbrush to paint the pumpkin. Now you can use the sponge if you want to, but I like the paintbrush, so it's totally up to you. And then I did this for the green looking one, and then I did the same for the blue one. I didn't want to show you the whole method because basically it's the same thing, but I did it for all 6 pumpkins, and this is what they looked like after I finished painting them with 2 coats and leave them to dry. So guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to me today. Thank you so much. So the things you will need, as I said before, you will need a satin or quick dry varnish satin, and then I just use this gold paint because I have it on hand. You will need some gems, scissors, and also your pearls, and of course your paint brushes because we'll be doing some painting. So I went ahead and then scribbled fall on one of the pumpkins. And I'm just gonna use these gems that I got from One Below. They're £1 for each packet, and then I'm just gonna trace out the word fall onto the pumpkin. So guys, I'm sure you're aware, or if you're not aware, I made a post on Instagram to say that I need to change as to when I upload a video because I've started studying, so I'm unable to upload on a Thursday. So from today, which is the 25th of September, until further notice, or until it will be on a Friday that we'll upload. I do apologize, but I'm studying and it takes a lot to get this done, and then also to study as well. So I do apologize, and I hope you guys, this hasn't put you off to keep following me. But yeah, thank you guys. So I'm just gonna do this for the whole pumpkin just to give you an idea as to what I did, and then also what it looks like afterwards. So yeah, and then this is what it looks like. I basically fast forward this bit because I want you to see the whole thing of how I did it. So if you want to try it, you can go ahead as well. So guys, if you are not following me on Instagram, please go ahead and do so. It is at Ava's Luxury for Less, and I'll leave a link down below. So this is what it looks like after I finish scribble the word fall and then just add the gems in, and I'm really loving it already. I really like it. It looks so nice. Already it's changed the style of the pumpkin. You can't believe this was just glittered pumpkin and it's changed it already. So for the pink one, I got these little craft jewelries from BARGIN. So I just measured out the size and how I need to cut it, then just use my hot glue gun and then just start attaching it. You want to be very careful with the hot glue onto the foam pumpkin as well. It will kind of burn like a little hole in it, so just be careful not to put too much, and then also just be careful not to burn yourself. So just make sure that it's connected and, you know, intact, so it doesn't fall off. So just a little bit of hot glue just to keep it in place. And I did this for the entire pumpkin. So guys, if you're liking the process so far, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what you think so far. Tell me if this is something you would try or what you would have done if you'd put something totally different there. So just let me know in the comment section below. So this is what it looks like after I've put the craft on it. So I'm just gonna go around it with some pearls and then just start attaching it because I wanted to give it a different look. I didn't want to keep the glitter pumpkins because obviously everybody kind of, you know, get into the idea of a glitter pumpkin, but if you change it up and give it a different look, it will look so much better. So after this, I went back to the green pumpkin that I put the fall detail on. I didn't like the way how it just looked bare at the top, so I just went around with some of the gems and just create a pattern for it, and I just did this for the entire top of it, and that's what it looks like. So this is it. So after I finished it, I just went in with my varnish. Now I made a mistake. I should have done it before I put on the gem, but at least you know. But this is what the end result looked like, and I just did a little decor of my table. It's not a big thing, but I was just thinking, how will I showcase the pumpkins? How will you look at it? So I just did a little decor of the table, and I'm loving it already. You can't tell that these were glitter pumpkins. For the pink one, I just painted it in pink and then just add some as you can see, I had some pink glitters, and it looks so amazing. So the pink one, there are two different decorating craft as you can see, and I've made these green, gold and black little ones as well. So I'm really loving the way how things turn out. Guys, comment below and let me know what you think of it so far. Comment below, guys. I'm really excited about it. I really love the pink one. The one with the web is also my favorite. Actually, they're all my favorite because I'm in love with it. It looks so nice. It looks so much different, so much different than the glitter pumpkin that I've started with, and then also the, you know, the glitter black pumpkins that I've started with. Everything looks so much different. And as I said, it's just a small decor of the table. I didn't go, you know, all out. I just did something small. And then these pumpkins on the floor, I got these from TK Maxx, I think on Monday. Sorry, the white one I got from TK Maxx on Monday. It was $4.99, so I got two of those. So TK Maxx do have pumpkins if anybody wants to go and check it out, but I'm not sure they have a full range of pumpkins, so you do want to check it out or even go online. So this is it, guys. Tell me what you think even of the decor, and as you guys can see, my napkin rings are there as well. Come on, you see what I'm saying about Ava's Luxury for Less? Look at my napkins ring. They look so awesome, and literally these are just things that I have at home, you know, and things that I got from the charity shop, like the candle holders. These are things that I got from the charity shop, and those little leaves I got them from Pep & Co. They were £3 each, and I got two. And I'm sure you guys know basically these stuff that I have already, you know, my plates and stuff I got from Love Wilko or Wilko. But I'll leave a link in the description box below of all the things that I've used. So if you do want to follow what I've done here, please go ahead and do so. And also on Instagram, send me a few photos if you've done it, or DM me. It's totally up to you. But guys, this is the end result. I'm loving it. So much in love with it, guys. Thank you so much for checking out with me, and also just to go through with it with me. So guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you next week in my video. Also, sorry, I keep saying that before, please check out my playlist below. Please check out my playlist below. So thank you guys, and I'll see you next week. Thank you. Bye bye.